You were actually earlier in Wuxi in Jiangsu province doing groundbreaking ceremony for your new investment factory there. Tell us about this investment.
Yes, we have a large presence, manufacturing presence in Wuxi already, and we've announced a new investment, $475 million in a new factory in Wuxi that will manufacture medicines for China but also for the world. A few months ago, we announced an investment in Qingdao, $700 million, in a new plant to manufacture inhalers, the products you use to treat asthma, chronic bronchitis, lung disease. So we are very much investing in manufacturing, but also in R&D. We signed many agreements with biotech companies. We've acquired a cell therapy company in very recently that operates around Shanghai. And China will be the core part of our cell therapy R&D activity for the world.
Tell us about your business in China. How important is the Chinese market for you, and how deeply involved is AstraZeneca in China's pharmaceutical industry?
AstraZeneca has been in China for 30 years, and we have always been very committed and very invested in China. Many years ago, we were in China for China to bring medicines to patients. And now we are in China for the world. We manufacture here for local consumption, but we also export. And we've invested a lot in research and development to come up with new medicines that will benefit patients in China, but also around the world. We have in the last few months signed 7 agreements with biotech companies in China. And we want to help them bring their medicines to the patients around the world. So we are very, very committed. We have a large presence in China. We have many manufacturing sites, and we have a large R&D site in Shanghai. So we are very deeply engaged in pharmaceutical market, in life sciences in China.
Right. You just mentioned that China is being a very important R&D and manufacturing base for you as you ship some of the products here to overseas market. How do you evaluate China's supply chain management in the pharmaceutical industry, and also the capability of R&D?
Well, the R&D capability is very good now. It's grown tremendously over the last 5, 6, 7 years. The ability of Chinese companies to innovate and come up with new products, new technologies, especially in what will be shaping the future of medicines: cell therapy, gene therapy, antibody drug conjugates, oligonucleotides, many new technologies beyond the traditional tablet small molecule. China will have a big impact in R&D. Manufacturing is also very good, and we want to use it to export to many countries around the world. Our supply chain is in China very strong.